Welcome back. Dan here. I'm going to start to shoot some very short, quick videos. This is the first one. You. Can it be you that has one of those really fun, profitable, fast-growing, successful cleaning companies? The ones you see about online and in groups, in the different groups online. Some of those folks have educations, some of them don't. That's not the common ingredient. All of them, though, believed that it could be them. Why not them that had a great cleaning business? Do you believe you can? If you don't, think about it again. Why not? Why can't it be you? Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.